This video shows how to buy shares of GRK Infra Oyj, traded under the ticker GRK.HE. GRK Infra Oyj operates in the infrastructure and construction sector and is listed on CBOE EU. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker account, and in this guide, I use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your identity, typically with a government ID, and add funds to the account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GRK.HE to find the correct listing. Confirm the search result matches GRK Infra Oyj before opening the stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the listing shows GRK Infra Oyj and the CBOE EU market before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute when it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order completes, you will see your new position in the portfolio. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to view the platform used in this example.